we are in action, guys. Welcome to the live. It's me, one of my favorite students, Nisi. She's been around for about a year or two, and we are live on spot. Now, disregard all of these lines on the chart. As you know, some traders will use horizontal lines to gauge demand and supply. The lines don't really matter as much. It's the why behind it. Me and Nisi talked about a trending market today. We already had a video on YouTube talking about bear traps and how we have momentum. Trump came out with tariff information, and Jerome Powell, part of the FOMC, has also come out and said that Trump tariffs will not affect inflation in the data points for rate hikes or rate cuts. All right. So to get you back up to speed, we have momentum on SPY and a couple different stocks. The daily was 607.44. We have broken above that with an ATR of 7. Now we have momentum. As I told Nisi, you still with us?
Yes, I am.
And we have these simple things called higher lows and higher highs. Higher lows and higher highs. Okay, let's clear my screen. All right, this is a low, right? But it's a higher low than this previous low when it comes to market structure and price action, right? Price action. Now I told Nisi that if we get to 609.90, that it could be profit taking, right? So you got to bounce off of the 21. Got another bounce off of the 21, and we haven't even got to the 21 to make a bounce. All right, we're real strong. But we always get these bounces off that 21, and we create new highs. All right, so let me take this off my screen. Now notice this. 1 second, as I navigate this screen. Teaching Nisi about the 100% mark. 100% moves and how you can measure price within 100, 0, and 50. So it's 3 zones. You have 1, right? This is the demand level. We can make this a green line for calls, right? Because we had demand, we pushed up. We can make the middle line. Nisi, you still with me?
Yes, I am.
All right, this thing is going to cut off. I don't know how much time we have, but this yellow line represents a 50% mark of this entire move, and the top represents a 100% mark. All right, so now you have, and we haven't broke above that yet, so we can make that red. All right, for a supply area. Now we are on a 3-minute time frame. Usually I do this on a higher time frame, but we want to see price react on a different time frame. And since I used a 3-minute, let's go to the 1 minute and see how to react and see where we can catch a trade. Now above here would be a breakout trade. All right, to 610, 611, where a psychological number is to the all-time highs. All right, we are above the 50% mark, the yellow line. All right, if we reject this and start forming bearish candles, then we can fall back to the yellow line, which would be 609 of the 50% mark of this entire 100% move. 1, 2, 3. And as I talk to you, you can actually see these things play out. Right? This is called precision trading, auction theory, and momentum. Understanding algorithmic patterns is how you can do this. Okay. Now we don't have to fall below here, but as you can see, we're rejected here. So now we are inside of a range. You with me?
Yes.
This has been the longest 15 minutes ever. I swear, Nisi. That thing is supposed to cut off. So now you have another range and you want to do the same exact thing. Always create your ranges and give your zones. All right. 0. All right. 0. Midway. Make that yellow. And we have the top here. All right. Top of the range. And what we have? A breach through our zones. Okay. Now this is the 0% mark, which acted as a demand level. If we break here, then the people are giving up their calls, they're taking their profit, and getting out, and we'll fill these gaps right here. Okay. Let's watch and see what happens. Will we get above the 50% mark to create a higher low, the same way we did here? Right, because right now we are doing that, creating higher lows. Double bottom. Let's see if price can get back to the upside and find some support, some demand, or break below and retrace on the 21 for another possible chance of a bounce. And as you can see, price action is showing us what it wants to do. Let's wait patiently. We can set a 15-minute time frame switch. So let's go to the 15-minute time frame and see what we have. Right, we are really extended from the 21. See if we get that pullback. right. All right. Let's get back to business. All right, what are we doing here? All right, SPY. All right, are we rejecting? Or are we teetering? Oh, what do we have here? A breach out of that range. What are we gonna do? Top and tail, 2 wicks. All right, we rejected those prices at the negative 27 on the Fibonacci. All right. There we go. Okay. As I just stated before, guys, this is auction theory. Understanding demand and supply, and where most of the price is hidden in the price action. Right. This is precision and momentum trading. And I just told you what was going to happen minutes before it happens. All right. This is what I offer for my Discord. Subscribing to my tier 1s supporters are for free information. Tier 2 is a little more, and tier 3 is the exclusive auction theory trades where I teach you how to do this, what I just did, in less than 5 minutes. All right, understanding what's going on and watching the levels that are being breached, the excess demand or supply, and lows being broken, and what is the sentiment behind these lows. All right, so you can be a scalper, day trader, or a swing trader. Just understand what you're working with and understand the market that you're in. All right, don't be greedy. Always secure profits. You know, this market has been moving up, all right, all day long. Profits are being took around 11:20, all right, and you get that flush below the 21, breaking these lows, all right, and now we are breaching a point where we've already breached 2 lows. It's market structure. We've broken them, but we're rejecting again right here on the Bollinger Band. So this is a decision moment right now for us to continue to fall lower, to sell off, or for us to gain momentum, find a place of demand, and breach these levels here. Okay, reaching those levels. Okay, these are simple line breaks. Don't get too confused. Simple line breaks. I don't want to see them over. If we don't break below here, would retest these lows. 608. This right here is a place of demand. We need to break that in order to see further downside, and we are holding it here. So you're going to see a push to the upside. We also have a simple line break, but we need to get above the 21 in order to see true momentum. This is the signal I like to use. Other than that, it can be rejected here. All right, because we rejected all of these. Let's see what happens. All right. Oh, let's put our yellow line for the 50% mark here. Go. Make that yellow. All right. Remember, everything is a range. 1, 2, and 3, 0, 50, and 100. If you can spot these opportunities, you can spot some good things in the market to get the best price and the best risk to reward, understanding why these things are happening. All right. Okay. So there we go, rejecting that 21. And we get that push to the downside, guys. All right, we are now making, this is market structure, right? Downtrending. We're now making low highs, right? And that's what you get when you trade in simple trends and market structure, price action. Right? These are things that you learn when you first trade about trending, uptrends and downtrends. So some very simple stuff that still works. All right, still works. And so these people are winning here that took puts here. Since up here, they took their profit at negative 21 here, Fibonacci. And now we are falling below, all right, and getting that sell-off, as I mentioned minutes before. Okay, this is confidence. This is precision, all right. Never chase, all right. If you miss these moves, you never chase. You always wait and assess and check the smaller time frame to see where we are, and the bigger as well. And we have about 9 minutes before the 30-minute candlestick will form. All right, so that's what we are working with. Okay, top and tail. All right, we have no pullbacks on a 30 minutes since we've been trading today. I think we might be due for one. All right, and we have some thin zones to the downside. Will be some nice puts if we can get there. Wow. Okay. Wow. All right. If we can stay above here, we are still going to continue up. The 11 sectors and the strength could still be showing momentum. Okay, guys, I appreciate you watching this quick little lesson about auction theory, the 0, the 50, and 100% mark. I will do more videos like this. Hopefully it was a little bit valuable, and if it was, let me know, and I'll make more videos like this. Okay, guys? All right, till the next time, peace.